Hello students, this is Digital Electronics Labs. Today we are going to perform to design BCD to XS3 code conversion and vice versa using 7483 IC and basic gates. You see, this is the IC of 7483. In this IC, total 16 pins. Okay, pin number 1 is A4 and pin number 2 is S3, pin number 3 is A3, 4 is B3, 5 is VCC, 6 is S2, 7 is B2, 8 is A2, 9 is S1, 10 A1, 11 B1, 12 ground, 13 C in, 14 C out, and 15 is S4, 16 is B4. You see, here inputs are A1, A2, A3 and A4. These are the inputs. Actually, this IC is a adder IC where two 4-bit data is added. Okay, you see here these are A1, A2, A3, A4 is the 4 inputs, and another 4 inputs are B1, B2, B3, B4. Here BCD to XS3. This connection is for BCD to XS3. Here B1, B2 is fixed, which value is 1, and B3 and B4 is 0. So you see, this is 3. Okay, this is actually 3. So when we give the input here, then in the output section it will be added 3 with the input. If we put 3, then output will be 6. These 3 will be added. Okay, and this S1, S2, S3, S4 are the outputs, and this is C in, which is connected to the B3 and B4. B3 and B4 is shorted, and which value is 0, and this output goes to C in, and this is C out. Okay, now we will perform in the kit BCD to XS3. Okay, now we are going to perform in the kit, and this IC is 7483 IC, and you see this is VCC, which is connected in pin number 5. You see, this is connected in pin number 5, and this is for ground, which is connected in pin number 12. This is connected in 12, and I have shown in the manual. You see, this is B4 and B3. B4 and B3 is shorted, and which value is 0. Okay, and this is B1 and B2, and which value is 1. I have put it in 1, and both B1 and B2 and B4, B3 and B4 goes to the C in, which is pin number 13. I have shorted both these two, and which goes to the C in. Okay, and these are the inputs, 4 inputs, A4, A3, A2 and A1, and you know B1, B2, B3, which value is 3, where I have selected 0 and 1, and these 4 are the outputs. This is S4, S3, S2 and S1. Okay, now we are going to verify the truth table. You see, this is the truth table for BCD to XS3. You see, first if we put A4, A3, A2, A1, all the inputs are 0, then the output will be 0, 0, 1, 1, which means it is 3. XS3 means plus 3. You see, if we put 0, 0, if we put 0, 0, okay, you see all the inputs are 0 and output you see this is 3. This is S4, S3, S2 and S1, which means 0 0 1 1. I have shown the truth table 0 0 1 1. Now we are checking this 0 0 1 1. If we put in the input side 0 0 1 1, then we will get 0 1 1 0. So 0 0 1 1. You see the output is 0 1 1 0. Now we are checking for 1 0 0. Output will be 1 0 1 1. 1 0 0. You see output is 1 0 1 1. Likewise we can check all the combination. Okay. Earlier we have performed BCD to XS3. Now we are going to perform XS3 to BCD. You see here A1, A2, A3, A4 are one input and another input is B1, B2, B3, B4. Here B1, B3, B4, the value of these three is 1 and B2 is 0 and B2 goes through the pin number C in. Okay, this is fixed. B2 is 0 and B1, B3, B4 is 1. You see the value of this is 13. Okay, now we are going to perform in the kit. This is the kit. I have connected the circuit which I have shown in the manual according to this circuit. This is ground and this is VCC and this is B1, B3 and B4, which is you see 1, and this is B2 which is 0. These two are fixed, and B2, from B2 we have connected the C in pin, which is 13 number pin. You see this is C in, and now we are going to verify the truth table. This is the truth table. Here BCD to XS3, and I am verifying this in the same table, but you have to draw the table for separately. Okay, for both the BCD to XS3 and XS3 to BCC, you have to draw the table separately. If we put in the input sides, now this is input, XS3 is input and BCD is output. If we put in the input side 0 0 1 1, then we will get 0 0. You see this is input, which are A4, A3, A2 and A1. If we put 0 0 1 1, this is 0 0 1 1. You see in the input side we have selected 3, which means 0 0 1 1, and in the output side you see 0, means it is subtracting 3 from the input. If we put in the input side 0 1 1 0, then we will get 0 0 1 1. 0 1 1 0, then we will get 0 0 1 1. You see 0 0 1 1. Likewise we will check all the values. I am checking another one, which is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, and output will be 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. And if we put 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, then we will get 1 0 0 1. Okay, this is 1 0 0 1. Okay, likewise we will check all the values. Thank you.